Hi there, is your home air conditioner leaking water? Don't worry, it's a common problem with a few simple fixes. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, safety always comes first. Turn off your air conditioner and unplug it. If it's hardwired, switch off the power at the circuit breaker. This ensures you can work safely. Next, check the drain pan. This is a crucial step in maintaining your air conditioner's efficiency and preventing potential water damage. The drain pan collects condensation from your unit, and if it's full or dirty, water might leak out. A full drain pan can cause overflow, leading to water damage in your home. Remove the front panel and locate the pan. This might require a bit of effort, but it's essential for proper maintenance. If it's full, empty it and wipe it clean. Use a cloth to ensure all residue is removed, preventing mold and mildew buildup. If it's cracked, you'll need to replace it. A damaged drain pan can't hold water properly and may cause leaks, so it's important to address this issue promptly. Now it's time to check the drain line of your air conditioner. This is a crucial step in maintaining your unit's efficiency and preventing potential water damage. A clogged drain line is a common cause of leaks. Over time, dirt, algae, and other debris can build up, causing blockages that prevent proper drainage. This can lead to water backing up and leaking from your unit. First, locate the pipe that drains water outside your home. This pipe is usually found near the outdoor unit of your air conditioner. It's important to identify this pipe to ensure you are addressing the correct component. To clear out any blockages, you can use a wet-dry vacuum or a flexible brush. The vacuum can suck out debris, while the brush can help dislodge any stubborn buildup inside the pipe. Make sure to be thorough in this process. After cleaning, pour some water through the drain to ensure it flows freely. This step helps to confirm that the blockage has been completely removed and that the drain line is functioning properly. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your air conditioner. Don't forget the air filter. It's a crucial component of your air conditioning system that often gets overlooked. A dirty filter restricts airflow, causing the evaporator coils to freeze and then melt, leading to leaks. This can significantly reduce the efficiency of your air conditioner and increase your energy bills. Take out the filter and clean it with water. Use a gentle stream to avoid damaging the filter material. Regular cleaning can extend the life of your filter and improve air quality, or replace it if it's too dirty. A new filter ensures optimal performance and helps maintain a healthy indoor environment. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling. A wet filter can cause mold growth and further block airflow. Regular maintenance of your air filter can save you from costly repairs and keep your air conditioner running smoothly.